Hey guys, this is Bill with the OGs, and I just wanted to let you know that I haven't forgot about you. Going to have some actual content, Volkswagen content coming soon, but I wanted to share with you guys a trip that I took last summer. I had an opportunity to go out to Capitola, watch a friend of mine get married, and then return back to my old town that I grew up in as a teenager in Modesto, California in the Central Valley. And I wanted to mix in a little bit of nostalgia with kind of returning back to my old hometown, and then with some video that I had off of old VHS of me cruising my bug out to the mall back when I was like 18, 19 years old with my friends, with a girl named Carol. I actually ended up being married to her for a short time. And at this trip that I made, I had an opportunity to go back and say hi to her, which was fantastic. It had been like 27 years or something like that. So I wanted to share with you guys. I hope you enjoy it. And I'll be back soon, and we'll get on that bus and get that tank in there and maybe get that bad boy on the road. Take it easy. All right, guys, I'm getting ready to roll out and head to California. I'm excited about the trip. It's been 18 years since I've been back. So I'm gonna go see my buddy for his birthday and get married and go visit some other friends. It's pretty much like a 5,200 mile trip in 72 hours. So here we go. All right, man, I have made it to the airport in Dallas, and I decided to go out of Dallas Love Field this time, which I was out of my mind. It was crazy getting over here. Thank God for Google. I would have never ever made it here. Made it here last night, went out with some friends. Just wanted to show you what a hotel room in Capitola on the beach in California looks like. And it's like an old school place. I'll show you the outside here in a minute. But literally, I mean, it's all, the thing was probably built in the 40s or the 50s or something, but it's tiny. Tiny little room. Yeah. Would you believe $350 a night? I'm staying last night. I'm not tomorrow or tonight. Gotta go find somewhere else to be. It's like some pretty cool looking cliffs over here by the beach down there. And then there's like people out here that are renting surfboards and you know, kids and stuff. But man, it's really, really beautiful. The beaches here in Capitola. Pristine. It's kind of a trippy thing. You don't see like trash and stuff anywhere. Just can't wait till the fog lifts where it can be a lot prettier. All right, man, you're getting married in an hour and a half, 2 hours?
Hour and a half.
Hour and a half. Do you have any last words to say to yourself as a single man?
It's gonna be fun.
I think so far the trip to California for 72 hours has been a fun-filled event. It's been great catching up with friends. All right, well, that was fun. Now I'm on my way from Knights Ferry to Modesto, California. Gonna check it all out and kind of trip out on, hadn't been there in 18 years. And then I gotta head to San Jose, get on an airplane, fly back to Dallas, and then from Dallas back to the house. But man, I miss how beautiful it is here in California. This is the foothills. The cities are freaking hammered. There's so many people in them. But yeah, this is it's a pretty beautiful place. I lived there for 16 years, so it's neat to come back after 18 years. But fun venture. And we'll see what's next. Man, when I was 21 years old, I started working at this boat shop. It's called Bob's Marine. Lots of great memories here. It kind of helped me kind of guide my way to my career in the marine industry. I wish they were open today. I don't have anybody's phone number to get a hold of anybody, but it's kind of cool. That wall up there is blue up in the accessory. I painted that thing 20 something years ago, which is just nuts for me. But I spent almost 10 years of my life here. I started as a boat washer and worked my way up to being a salesperson. So it's really cool. It's changed a little, but not much. But just another kind of piece of the journey of being up here. Yeah, it's kind of trippy. It's kind of like time traveling for me. This is one of the neighborhoods that I grew up in here in Modesto, California. Cruised many an hour. It was like all about lowered Volkswagens, man, and buses, and it's just it's kind of cool. It just really takes me back, having an opportunity to come back 19 years later and see what, you know, I mean, it's still here. And so it's like, it's just weird after being gone so long. Very trippy, but it's definitely a good feeling. Yeah, up here somewhere on the right-hand side was one of my old houses. To tell you the truth, I can't even remember which one it was. I know that I was pretty close to another main road. That was a intersection where there was a Taco Bell in the corner. So it was going to be like right in here somewhere is where I live. I'm not sure which one, but yeah, it's it's pretty trippy. It's kind of like time traveling. I feel like just go back to the day. E-Life Grand Volkswagen. No, thank you.
Okay, we're going to take the regular route up Orangeburg over to Tully, and then we'll make it over to Stamford and make it right into the mall parking lot. Here we go. Put a little tunes on. Background music. Here we go.
I saw you from across the room. When our eyes met, I never knew that I could feel this way, and it's kinda strange. Don't even know your name. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. You say that you're from out of town. I'm hoping that you stick around. Show me what it's like from the other side. Would you stay another night? 'Cause I don't know you,
time traveling. It was like, I don't know how many years ago it was, but I was right here walking across this parking lot. I think it was 1987.
Oh, you can go through the back? Yeah. We're privileged. Oh, get the guy. Look at him. Get it? No. Oh, wait a second. That's part of Dave's song. Is it? Yeah. Dave, I got your window crate. Give me $5,000 and you can have it back. You can't? Come on now, because, well, since it was left to me by my great uncle, welcome to my fun factory. This is a bust. This is where I work. Oh, look, there's Ken, the chill guy. Dave here? He's coming up with that. Right? See that part of the car out, right? I actually want the bumper up.
Yeah, it looks a lot different now. Man, time's flying.
Like Chris cut fries.
Yeah, it seems like yesterday I was like on this escalator and my friend David was with me and we were out here having a just a day at the mall. We were doing what they called the frugal shopper, which I thought was kind of cool. But yeah, I was glad, and we had a video camera that day.
Running down to Carl's Jr. I know there are no Carl's Jr.'s outside of California, maybe so. We're going to drive. We're going to head back to the tour bus. We're going to head to Frisco to do the show.
It was very disappointing to come in here and the tilt's gone, which is the first store that I ever was the assistant manager at when I was 17. They built something new there, but it's just kind of tricky.
Cowbug. Dinko. Dang, that is cool looking. Isn't that cool? They still... Oh, wow. Okay. Can't really see it very well. That big box, it's kind of...
Camera can't see it.
Yeah, camera can't see it. Oh, this is Dave's Cowbug. That's the box he made. Notice the steering wheel here is on the right-hand side of the car. Dave did that custom, and the doors open backwards, too. It's pretty cool. It's pretty low, too. Like maybe, it's almost like about one hand off the asphalt. It's pretty cool. But back up to my little stock bug. I want to eventually one day have a cool cow bug, but I don't know. For some reason I can't have anything cool. Except my girlfriend, of course.
Alright, and so the trip to Modesto is done. Now another 2.5-hour drive to San Jose. Wait on a plane to leave at 5:30 and head back to Texas. Man, I've had such a great time kind of going down memory lane and seeing some great people. I even saw an old friend from years and years ago that I didn't know that I'd ever see again, which I really enjoyed, and it was a good time. I'm happy though that trip's winding down. I have like slept hardly at all in 72 hours, so I'm ready to rock and roll and get on a plane and get back to Texas. Strange that is. Weird things in California. Alright guys, 4 hours later, I'm in Dallas, heading back to my truck, and I got about a 2-hour drive ahead of me, and I'll finally be at home to end my 72-hour adventure. I'm tired.
Not too bad.
Fixing to see a car coming up. It's got white scallops, it's blue and white. Looks to be about a 1968 bug. It's got a rag top in it. It's looking pretty snazzy. Here it comes. Hell bug. Bad car, dude. We're going to my house right now. I don't know, just trying to maybe play some music, you know, doing a single-year song.
But guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. It was a lot of fun for me, a lot of nostalgia. It was really kind of cool for me to return back to where it was. I guess before, you know, when you're younger, you have those moments that you're truly yourself, and it's before the world kind of got a hold of you. And it was neat to kind of revisit those moments, and I feel grateful that I had access to a video camera, you know, 31 years ago, and was able to capture some of these times. So we'll be back soon. You take care, go work on your old Volkswagen, and we'll catch you next time. Peace.